Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Making meal for my college son. He's coming over. Here I have 6 pounds of chicken breast. I cut into like maybe 7-8 ounces a piece. I'm just gonna use this store-bought Yeri Yeri teriyaki sauce glaze. We're gonna marinate the chicken. So I'm just gonna pour in some of the marination here. Get them a nice amount. I preheat the oven to 500. And here, I'm gonna add some black pepper. A lot of pepper. And I add in some Italian seasoning, get that different flavor. Make sure you cover all the chicken with the Italian seasoning. And next, I'm gonna add a pinch of salt. I'm just gonna mix it up. Marinate it. For the college kid, you want recipe friendly, easy to cook. And they can microwave easily, right? They don't have kitchen there. So, like this, smell pretty good. So this one is done. Medium high heat. Vegetable cooking oil in. Ginger garlic. A lot of ginger garlic in. Stir. Asparagus in. The baby broccoli in. Same time. Smell amazing. Stir. And then we just want to add a little bit of water, not much, to help them cook. Maybe 2-3 ounces water. And we're gonna toss and stir for a few minutes until the vegetable a little bit tender. We're gonna add some hoisin sauce. Some soy sauce. Not much. Black pepper. Give them a quick stir. Smell excellent. Sesame oil. Now start getting really hot. Sesame seed. This dish is done. This dish is good overnight, will taste better next day. Microwave it, delicious. So my oven is ready. You see all the glaze sauce at the bottom? That actually will help the chicken to tender and juicy at the bottom. So we crank the heat pretty high because I want to make sure they have a little brown and sear on the top around the chicken, coating the chicken. So I simply just use my dynamometer. I use one of the thicker piece. Okay, put it in. Now is 51 degree. So we put it in oven. And we're gonna wait the chicken rise up to 160 and we take it out. I went to Kroger, get this cake pan, $2.99 for 2 sets. You don't want to get something too expensive, you know? The young people, you know what I'm talking about? And I want them to wash it nicely and bring it back to me. So here I got some toasted almond nut. That's enough. And then you want to let the vegetable cool off nicely. Maybe for like half an hour, it's okay. Before you cover up and put it in the refrigerator. For me, I just put it outside my porch because I think the outside porch is about 35 degrees today, 35 or 38. So it's a little bit cooler than a refrigerator. Yeah? While the chicken's still cooking, I have some leftover marinated sauce. I'm just going to make a little bit thicker reduction sauce, and then when the chicken done, we're just going to pour over top of the chicken to kind of like helping prevent the chicken get dry too fast overnight. We're just going to wait for the saucepan to heat it up. Stir. Sometimes you can give it a try. It's good. Everything's good. Don't need to add anything else. Black pepper. Turn down the heat. Just for a few minutes. And the sauce will become darker. Much darker and thicker. Pretty good. Okay, that's good enough. See, it won't take long. Turn off the heat. The chicken is increased up to 108 now. See, that's easy to cook, right? No sweat. The chicken is beautifully done. You see what I'm talking about? If your oven's not hot enough, you don't have this little brown, you know, like a little, almost like a barbecue from outside on the grill. Otherwise, just too warm and light in flavor, and the chicken doesn't have flavor. But inside is 160, so they still carry on the temperature to 165, which is perfectly cooked and done. So now I'm just gonna simply coating the sauce on the top of the chicken. So they're not easily dried out and they give them more flavor. Sit overnight. See how beautiful that is? Very simple, easy to make. Here we go. Look beautiful. And they just serve whatever amount they want. There's the chicken. Just throw in a couple fruit, and I got this hot dog bun. Soft, fresh. At least he can keep it for a couple days. And some chip I found from my pantry. You know, just something. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye.